Hi. Say hi. Kayong channel.
Okay.
If we're gonna
Where you gonna go?
go in there and we're gonna pick eggs.
Okay.
Let's
I'll
go
follow
now.
you. Okay, go. Pick the eggs. Hey.
Daddy.
You prefer fast?
Yeah. Go. Mommy, let's go.
The flowers.
Yeah. And mommy, let's go. Mommy, let's go.
You like it?
Yeah.
Come on.
Mommy, let's go.
We have to go check the chicken.
Let's stop it. Yeah. What's wrong with you?
Yeah. But I don't think that's gonna run properly in the grass. No, we'll go to the chicken. Come on.
Where's the chicken?
No, it's in the shed.
Inside?
Yes.
And the baby chicken?
Yeah. It's not a baby anymore.
I think going to use that.
Yeah, you are. Malaki na yung manok na nabili namin. And they are, what, 9 days now? Bilis lumaki ng mga broiler. And let's go visit the chicken. Okay, let me just take out the cover first. Okay. These chickens don't have eggs. They are meat chicken. That's right. Yan, malaki na kaagad sila. Big. See them?
Yeah. I want that one. And here. And here.
Yeah, they can hear you.
Hi.
We're just visiting the chickens.
Let's see them.
Yeah, we can add the feed. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Add the feed.
Yes.
Yeah.
We can add the feed. Hold on. Let's take this.
We can have.
Yeah, you can put it there.
Oh, I make a mess.
Don't make a mess. Okay.
It's around and
You
around.
can spread it around there. There you go. Okay.
Whoa.
Good job.
Not take that.
Yeah,
That.
like that. I think it's full now. Okay, I'll put it back.
Oh, that is the feed.
Yeah, I'll put it back.
I put feed.
There you go. That's their feet. They still have water.
I will bring this. And cut a big boy.
Yeah. Let's go to the chicken. Yeah, we'll get some egg.
Not till we go back. Oh, there's a hole there.
There is.
And someone digging a hole.
Okay.
Martin dig on it.
It's not that deep. You want to go get the eggs now?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Oh, that's in pig tail. That is pig tail.
It is.
Yeah.
That's when we scald the pig.
There's a tail inside.
It is.
There's a chicken here. There's chicken here.
Yeah. You can just drop it. Yeah. Oh,
The wind's flying.
come on.
And the feather's soft. It's like a chicken feather. You have geese in there.
There is.
Yeah, you have geese in there. Now they have babies.
And how about the big ones?
That one over there?
Brown ones?
Yeah, that's over there. That's over there. The turkey one is big.
Where's the turkey one?
There, over there, the white one. The
Oh,
turkey
wow.
over there.
Okay, you want to go inside and get the eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that is our chicken. That is our goat there. And that is our pig there. And that is our rabbit there. Oh, let's go out.
Mm-hmm.
Then we playing with them. Whoa!
Well, we'll go inside. You have to go inside and give it to them. Oh, that's not egg.
No.
Okay, you wanna go inside and get the eggs?
Oh, elbow. Yeah! Chickens.
What are you giving them?
Chickens. I parent them. I parent them.
Okay, first, get the eggs.
Get the eggs.
I think there's egg in the corner. Is there egg there? No?
No.
Oh, I see egg in the corner there. Yeah. No, right in the corner. In this bone.
Yeah.
How about inside? Let's go inside. There's eggs inside.
Yeah. I just got one egg. Just one egg. And one chicken pooped it out.
That's right. Yeah, me too.
Last one.
Okay. Let's go inside.
Here.
Yeah, because it's a chicken here. Oh, there's egg here. Wanna get the egg? No, it's here.
Yeah. Okay. Here.
Yeah, down there. See the brown?
Brown.
Yeah, go get it.
So.
Slowly.
Oh, someone pooped on this.
Oh, it's dirty?
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. Just put it there and we're gonna clean it later.
So, in mommy kitchen.
That's right.
And then that is iron. It's iron.
Breakfast.
It's for iron.
Yeah, we can have it lunch too.
Whoa, in my hand.
We're gonna clean that later. Oh, you got the egg there?
Yeah, I think someone here next.
No, this is new. She just laid the egg. That's why there's still a little wet. Okay. Come on, let's go.
On it. One more, yes.
Okay. Come on. I think we're good. We're good for now. We'll
But
get
that is so heavy.
yeah, we'll get the rest later. Yes.
I want to take a poop again.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that is so high.
Are you okay?
No, I just didn't fall.
You didn't fall. You're a big boy.
There's duck here.
You're stuck?
Yeah, duck here. And there's
Yeah, there was a duck egg you get in the corner.
duck.
So you're done with your eggs?
Yeah.
You want to go check the rabbits? Come on.
Want to check? Mama, let's check the pig. Okay. Hi. Coming a channel. We're gonna check the pigs.
Okay.
Ducky! Oh, there's a hose up there.
Yeah, that's for their water. But there's nothing there. There's no water. You can just check them. I already feed them this morning. See the pig there? You want to see the pig? Come on.
Nose
Let me carry you.
He nose out.
Let me carry you.
He nose
Oh, yeah, that's right.
He nose out. Your nose out. Sniffing me. They're sniffing me.
Right, because they know you're here.
In the
You
whoa.
want to tell them what's your pig? You want to tell them?
You're so fat. You're so fat. You're so fat, piggy.
Because they are piggies.
Yeah, and you're so fat.
That's right.
You're fat.
You want to go check the rabbit now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the pig is fat. Dad, what you get the
Let's go check the rabbit.
He's looking to us. The piggy looking to us.
Yeah, we are their boss. You're the boss, baby.
No. I just a big boy. I just a big boy.
Okay, you wanna go check the rabbit?
Yeah. I'm not a baby anymore. I just big boy now.
Yes, you are.
I just pull up my sleeve. I just pull up my sleeve.
You did?
Yeah.
Why, it's hot.
Yeah.
Look at them.
They just go inside. Aww. Babies. They just go inside. They go inside.
You wanna go check them inside?
Yeah. They go inside and they have water there.
Yeah,
Check the water.
they have water.
Inside. I want
Okay.
to check water.
You can just check them a little bit, okay?
Okay. You come with me. Whoa. Whoa, the water.
You just leave their water.
No one is not. One is hiding there.
Mm-hmm. Because it's a baby. You're scared. That's the mama rabbit. See? Just don't carry.
They're so big.
Yeah, they're so big. They're heavy.
Under there. It's under there. Under there. Oh. Oh. See? Mamas. One is hiding there.
You can just pet.
One is stuck. One is stuck. I get you out, little buddy. I get her out.
She was stuck there?
Yeah, and I get her out.
Okay. You wanna go out
Oh,
now?
what to get this thing?
Oh, that's to hold up the roof.
Roof?
That's right. Okay. You wanna go out now? There's
That little buddy stuck. That little that
they're a little scared.
yeah. Look, that is the house. Daddy made this house for them.
That's right. That's their nesting box. Yeah.
You put hay in
Yeah, but I already opened it so they can run around now.
here around now.
Yeah.
Oh no, Lito. I want the baby rabbit.
They're scared, but they will get used to it.
Need the mommy one.
Yeah, you
Mommy
can
one.
still pet the mommy ones. Here. She's laying down, the mommy one.
No, it's real.
Yeah, that's their food. Look at here. There's a mommy one here. She's laying down. So you can just pet. Do not carry. Just pet. See?
It's so soft and fluffy.
That's right. See? She's letting you pet, right?
That is my pet.
Mm-hmm.
It's my first pet rabbit.
Okay.
What is hiding there?
Okay. Come on, let's go out.
The water's full.
Yeah, the water's full.
Oh,
We're fine.
someone's getting up.
Yeah.
Someone's getting up there.
Let's close it.
After the water's gonna get down.
Let me get out.
A rocket? Yeah. You need a rocket. You need a rocket.
Yeah, I locked it.
Yeah, I need a rocket.
Mm-hmm. So, Xavier, what will you say to your channel?
Bye.
Well, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.